Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I am here today to talk to you about the new Hokus Pokus palette. This is Colourpop's new release for Halloween. This was their release last year. I wanted to show you both of these palettes because they are both still available. So this is the newest one. It's got a mirror, it's got some great colors in it. You've got some nice teals, purples, orange, brown, gold, great colors. This was last year's release, which I did pick up when it was new, but I didn't have a channel yet. And this one is the Gather Round Sisters, which is also gorgeous. So not similar color stories at all, but I wanted to show you both in the event you are a collector. You could pick up both of these palettes, but we're going to be using this new one today. I'm not gonna lie, this is not my first impression. I'm telling you, I have a curse on me for this video. This is the third time I filmed this video. There's been some hiccup each time, but the good thing is I have pictures, so I'll be able to show you 3 different looks with this palette. The first look that I did a teal and purple look. The second look that I did a gold and purple. And now today, I think what I want to do is something completely out of the box, and I thought, what colors would I not put together? Let's step out of our comfort zone. I need a little makeup therapy at this point. I do have some of my face on already. Of course, I will have every product listed and linked in the description box below, but it is mostly Colourpop and Soul Body. I am going to finish up the face after we do the eyes. We are going to start with this orange shade right here called Life Potion, and that is going to be our transition. I'm putting that right in, deep in the crease, and just making very small circular motions as I move across my eye. The brushes I've been playing with are these new ones that I picked up from BH Cosmetics that I do very much enjoy. BH is sold at Ulta. Of course, they have their own website and they have some great sales. I love BH eyeshadows as well, at least most of the ones that I have tried. But this shadow is going on like a dream. Very creamy. We'll see how it blends, but I have not had issues with the other colors that I've used. But this is a beautiful orange leaning brown. Let's take a little bit of a bigger brush and blend. We may put another color on top of that, but I can't help myself. I have to blend just a little bit. I like it. So that was Life Potion. Now I said we were going to get crazy and we were going to put some teal in there. So let's do the teal on the lid. It's called Circle of Salt. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and take that same Circle of Salt and make sure that I've gone far enough into my crease, because that's difficult for your finger to get up in there, and I want a good coverage situation. Good. How about we just go crazy and let's go with the purple on the bottom. We're just playing with all the colors. It may be a mess, but I'm not going anywhere. Let's have some fun. It may be a gorgeous look, or we can all have a good laugh together. I'm spraying it because it's a shimmer. You can use any setting spray, or even a water bottle will help with fallout. I just can't stay out of these purples and teals. They're just so gorgeous. Just to complete, I'm going to take some purple and put it on the outer corner. Taking another one of these BH brushes that I'm liking. And it's called, this one's called Hello Billy. I want to go back in with that original Life Potion shade and just redefine that crease a little bit. And I'm going to go in with the lightest hand. Okay, let's jump in with some black liner. It's going to go along the top, both water lines and the bottom. Water line. Okay, next let's throw some bronzer on. This is I have some Soul Body products that we're going to use. This is my cream bronzer that I love so much. It smells delicious. I've heard that it's a dupe for the Chanel, but it's just so easy to blend. I love the shade. This is medium. You get so much bang for your buck. I think this is maybe $15 and it'll last you forever. You get so much product in there. And then Colourpop has these awesome sales. I just got a notification on my phone that HipDot is doing the Addams Family. Comment below. You gonna get that? I think I'm gonna. I love the Addams Family. Have you seen that movie? Speaking of which, have you seen Hocus Pocus? I like Hocus Pocus. I have both palettes. Obviously, I like it. Okay, highlight time. This is the Soul Body highlight that I have recently been obsessed with. It is not for the faint of heart. I love it. If you want to glow, glisten, again, a whole lot of product for not a whole lot of money, I recommend. Next, we'll jump in with blush, and I just have a color stick from Colourpop in the shade Roosevelt. Just gonna put some on my hand and use a stipple brush to just pop that on. I like to do bronze highlight, then blush, because that can tone down the highlight if you've been a little heavy-handed. And if I'm gonna be heavy-handed with anything, I'd rather be heavy-handed with the blush, because I always feel like that's the first to fade. Mascara, Little Essence Lash Princess. I'll just fast forward you through this. We know this is a good mascara. Let me know if you've tried Colourpop's mascara and if you like it. I think they have at least 2 different kinds. Almost there. 2 more things. I want to highlight that inner corner and use some setting spray. So let's go back into this palette, and I think I'm going to use this 300 Years shade. It's a nice light champagne. Maybe a little bit to highlight that brow bone. We could have used our Colourpop Soul Body highlight as well for that, but that looks good. And then some setting spray. I have this Colourpop No Filter setting spray. If you notice, mine looks almost empty. It's not really that empty. I love this product. I do not love the spritzer. So I have it in another bottle. But I just grabbed this to put in here. If you want to use it, what I would suggest you do is spritz your hand and then use a sponge, or here's my Tati the-blendiful, to pat it in. So I do recommend this. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing before you leave. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment so that I know that you were here. I upload videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. I hope to see you in my next video. Have a great day.